What happens if you drink lemon water every day for 30 days? Most of us only focus on high blood pressure, but hardly anyone talks about low blood pressure, which happens when your body doesn't have enough blood volume. Early in the morning, right after you wake up, that's the time when your blood volume is at its lowest, and by nighttime, it increases. When your blood volume is low, what happens? If you suddenly stand up, you might feel dizzy. That can be a sign of low blood pressure. If you compare an elite athlete to a regular person who doesn't exercise much, an athlete has around 50% more blood volume. So of course you won't get the same performance while working out. A lot of people don't like drinking anything first thing in the morning. Drinking any liquid at that time can feel uncomfortable. So people prefer tea or coffee. Let me tell you why that happens, and then I'll give you a solution. If you only drink plain water in the morning when your blood volume is at its lowest, you're actually diluting your electrolytes. That's a big mistake because it makes you feel even more dehydrated and even thirstier. Plain water alone doesn't increase blood volume. You need a little salt with it. Salt helps your body hold water in the bloodstream. So instead of just water, if you add a pinch of salt and some lemon and drink that, you'll feel much better. And if you do this daily for 30 days, especially if you drink it an hour before working out, you will notice a major difference in your energy and performance. Now, if you look at our 24-hour circadian rhythm, which is our natural body clock, when our cortisol levels, the stress hormone, at their highest, around 8 a.m. in the morning, cortisol peaks in your body. But do you know what's incredibly effective at lowering cortisol? Sodium, yes, really. That's why some people mix a little salt in water and drink it before bed. It lowers cortisol and brings stress down, which helps them sleep better. Then in the morning, when cortisol spikes, it not only raises stress but also causes the liver to release stored sugar, which directly impacts blood sugar levels. So you really should know this. Salt can reduce cortisol, and if you take a little salt in the morning, you can start your day in a calmer state with better fluid balance and more energy, which also helps during exercise. You also won't get those dizzy spells when you stand up quickly because that issue won't exist when your blood volume is adequate. That's the benefit of salt, and it's better to use something like Himalayan sea salt. But if you have a history of high blood pressure, you need more potassium and magnesium. You can't eliminate sodium completely. You just need to cut it down. You can use a low sodium salt. At the store, get a good brand. Some have 60% sodium, some 70%, and the rest is other minerals. Now let's talk about the benefits of lemon. If you use a fresh lemon, cut it in half, squeeze out the juice from both sides, you get pure lemon juice. What you get from fresh lemon isn't the same as bottled juice, like vitamin C, which is great for your skin and is also an excellent antioxidant for your arteries. Another powerful component in lemon is citric acid. Citric acid protects your kidneys and helps prevent kidney stones. Once it enters your body, it binds with oxalates, which are a major cause of kidney stones. That same acid also lowers uric acid, so lemon is helpful for people with gout and great for kidney health overall. Some special phytonutrients in lemon help detox your liver by activating phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification, which helps your liver remove trapped chemicals from your body. Lemon also regulates bile. Because it's naturally acidic, it thins out bile, reducing the risk of gallstones and strengthening liver detox. The combination of lemon and salt is also great for your stomach. It activates digestive enzymes and juices, improving digestion. Some properties in lemon also help regulate cholesterol. Certain antioxidants in lemon go directly into the arteries and clean them out, which lowers the risk of heart disease. And here's something really interesting. The polyphenols in lemon increase the diversity of your gut microbiome, meaning they support the growth of healthy gut bacteria and keep them active. But there's one thing you really need to pay attention to. If you're going to drink lemon water daily, the acidity can damage your tooth enamel because it's acidic and can wear down the outer layer of your teeth. So try drinking it with a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards so the acid doesn't harm your teeth. I personally drink lemon water in the morning. And sometimes I juice an entire lemon with the peel and seeds. Add a little ginger, add a bit of apple to cut the bitterness because the drink is very sour and bitter, and mix in a glass of water. That way it becomes a great detox lemonade, and it tastes so good that even kids will drink it. Some people also add a little apple cider vinegar to the mix. That's great too. If you want to take it to the next level, you can add a tablespoon of ACV. So that was a simple, quick tip that might be a game changer for your health. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay well.